I brought a couple of dresses. A couple cool dresses. This one's like a velvet. Yeah, so we could do some cool stuff. I brought a couple other skirt outfits.
Yeah?
These pants.
Pants.
Pretty much.
All right, what's up everybody? My name is James Adams III. I am a professional photographer, videographer. Car's about to try and hit you right there though. And we're about to get into a really dope shoot right now with Milana. We're gonna go into that beautiful forest that we got going on, and we're gonna just get into it. We're gonna have a good time, create some really good concepts. Stay tuned, stay for the ride, and let's get right into it, y'all.
We're almost there. We're very close. We just have to go up. That's gonna be the problem, going up, because it's a lot of steps. Or we take the harder way. If you guys wanna get a real workout up the mountain. Alright guys, so update. Made it to the top of the mountain. It's hot, that's for sure. But we're here, it's beautiful. We gotta make our way down though. That's gonna be a struggle. Let's go. So we are scavenging the area currently. Scavenging the area currently. And picking out a good spot to start. Hoping to stop sweating before we start shooting. Or else James is gonna have a lot of work when it comes to the editing. Which he probably will. This is not working, guys. I'm ready, James. I'm ready.
Parkour.
Yeah, I'm parkouring.
Let's see that parkour.
Oh shit.
I'm good. I'm good. We think it's hot.
It's hot?
But it's going really well. We got some really cool shots so far, and we've only done so little, you know?
Exactly.
Only got a little bit, only one outfit, you know? But the shots already look cool.
Exactly. We're gonna make sure to use the environment, especially more of the foliage around here. Just busying up the frame, making sure that when you see it, there's a lot of color, there's a lot of ways that you can flood the frame with emotion, and it's not too chaotic. Hence why we're gonna, do this next shot and see how that goes. So
absolutely.
Stay tuned. Gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you. First shot, I like that.
Guys, that was actually scary. Yeah. Awesome. This look, guys, it's a little harsher. I put on some lipstick. Got some red on. It's just black. Listen, black on white sneakers. So I think it's a vibe. It's more of like a harsh vibe in nature. It's like, what are you doing here? You know, like get out type of thing. So that's it.
See the smoke when the sun shines. We will forever be faded under cold sky, captivated in your cold eyes.
Guys, we had such a great shoot.
Yeah.
This recap is going to be insane. We used the mirror as a prop. We hit a bunch of different locations, did 2 different outfits. I think we did pretty good. Opinion?
I think we did phenomenal. See, I was so good, I made up a word right there.
Absolutely.
Milana killed the shots. I mean, you guys, I'm hope you guys are gonna be excited for this. It's gonna be awesome.
Looking forward to all the shots, James.
Heck yeah.
Hell yeah, guys. Thank you again for tuning into this behind the scenes. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate Izzy so much for filming. Thank you so much.